I do not regret what was done. Giving my word to Uhtred, honouring my word in the battle that followed.
I think that he can understand and respect it.
Your actions were not worthy of an Etheling. They were worthy of a king.
He respects you, Edward, for what you did.
Wessex shall soon be yours. I will do my utmost, Lord. For Wessex and for my king.
Now I truly believe you, Edward. And Alfred also. He's proud of you. I'm tired of crying. For right now, for Alfred dying, but not really. He's not gonna die during this episode, right? Oi, oi.
I do not know how we can help Ragnar escape Nibelheim. I will not return to my own life until I've tried.
That can take months, years.
You remember the story?
Now, Knut, I will return when I'm ready!
Knut will want the Baneslayer dead. His head will be worth its weight in silver.
I have a very small head.
No, you have a big one.
Tell Knut I will return, and when I do, he will have my men. He will know what that means. Now go!
I don't like that.
You do not change, woman.
I scared you for Ragnar.
He's a man in great need of the guidance of God.
He's never gonna accept God.
I shall tune the waters 1,000 times, and even now find God. My son will need him.
Yes.
But he's an outlaw. He must remain an outlaw until I am gone.
Until
Edward must make his own decision with your counsel, Father Beorn.
you want Beoka
Yes.
to tell to Edward to take Uhtred with him. Oh, he can't sit and he can't get up without help now.
Will you become Knut's woman?
You're
It's
jealous?
none of your business.
Nah.
I must survive. Men won't follow a woman for long, which is stupid.
Knut? Sowieso.
Did I give my men to you? To attack Edinburgh?
Ah, why
That's
not?
something you will never do, because you're a sex.
I was so young then.
We were Danes then.
Oh.
Afraid of losing.
Child.
I love them when they're like that, really.
I think of Gisela every morning I wake and every night before I sleep.
Time is time.
Same for her and Ragnar.
You loved him.
More than
Brenda.
from hell's not gonna compare.
I really hope that you're gonna succeed to help Ragnar to be in Valhalla. Because I want them to reunite when they're gonna die.
Until we've found out
All
where
of them.
or until you've killed me.
We must find out what you. Because I'm sure to kill you soon.
But are you gonna?
I can't forgive you, Richard. Failing him.
One time,
3 times.
when I killed the priest.
Good.
And because Ragnar did not prevent it,
You're gonna tell her? Huh?
the options given to me were to swear a second oath to Alfred to my brother's life.
You didn't tell Ragnar.
That was sweet, Brida. Thank you.
I've always loved you.
Oh, I love the relationship, really.
Not as a wife. She will always be half my life.
I don't love you back. You said.
That's so sweet. What? It's to show us that
Is it?
it's the end of winter soon? He's living there? That's rough. Knock, knock. We're there.
Come no closer. We will pay.
We will not.
You mean you know harm and we will pay. She is to come nowhere near. And you will help us. I would like to. Without
Can you?
walking with the gods. We need to kill a chicken.
But not a small one. He has a name.
Ah,
Story.
where did he go? You bastard.
Richard?
He's gone.
Oh,
Need to run. Just have it.
that's a good imitation.
assuming it worked.
It did. Cost me a family. And my husband.
We'll help you reach Ragnar.
Can you
Please don't.
help her with the curse? Can it be possible? And if he's taking his curse back, maybe he can show to Uhtred how to do it. No.
Let's kill the man who killed Ragnar. The man who denied him. He will wet the blade with the blood of Ragnar.
Okay,
Ragnar's dead.
let's kill the nephew.
His black at Starstones.
Who's Tora?
As
His sister.
yes.
My sister. Why would you have it? How do you kill a curse?
Good question. She's near to your house. Brida, don't do that. We need to know how to kill the curse. Brida?
You have to kill the sorcerer without breaking the skin and without shedding one drop of blood. And you've got to do the same to Skate.
You knew it?
He cursed you one.
Long time ago, we were young.
Now you're without curse, Brida.
He threw a curse. I stuck a branch of his ass. It was that day. I've been a bad bitch ever since.
Brida, she can have kids now. A family.
Why not sooner?
Because I was a warrior first. I've known how to kill a curse since before you arrived at Dunham. I chose not to tell you. Because I knew you wouldn't stay.
Oh,
So
Brida.
I did not believe you. We are 1 year time.
Oh, I really love the two of you.
From the moment I took your hand on the steps of the great hall of effort which grew about as one, you may dislike me, hate me if you wish, despise me at times.
But you love each other. Yes.
Go on. I will find Skate and I must kill this curse. Then I will go to Tora.
I will discover you killed Ragnar.
Nice.
I will send him on his way to Valhalla.
As a team.
At some point I will see you on the battlefield. I won't hesitate to kill you.
Does not mean you do not love me.
And Alfred didn't even die during this episode. Fuck. I really thought that I was gonna lose him today. I was prepared. I prepared myself for losing him today. He's not dead. He's not dead. And he's not gonna die. We need a battle for him to die, like the premonition that Skate had. It was like I predicted, like I'm a seer also. I predicted that I was gonna cry, thinking that he was gonna die during this episode because he was saying goodbye, because he was preparing his legacy. He talked with Uhtred, I cried. He talked with Edward, I cried. And he's not dead. Tired of crying for him. I mean, I love him, I don't want him to die, but we know that he's gonna die. So I'm tired of crying for him. Almost dying in each episode, and at the end he's not dying. I'm really tired of that. I love this episode, really. Because of all of these moments, you know, between Brida and him and Uhtred. The two of them together, their relationship. I was gonna say it's a sweet relationship. No, it's not. It can be a rough relationship sometimes, but it's pure. That's the word. It's a pure relationship that they have. They are honest with each other in everything, in their anger as much as in their love for each other. That's it. That's a pure relationship, you know, that you have with not a lot of people. That's a beautiful relationship to have with someone, to be so honest with someone, to love that person no matter what is happening, and you know it inside of your heart, and you want this person to be safe, to be well, but they are fighting against each other, and they said it, if they have to be against each other and to kill each other, they're gonna do it. But first, they're gonna take revenge for Ragnar's death. Yes! We need to kill the nephew with a sword on which we're gonna have Tyra's blood. So first, Uhtred, he has to go back to Wessex to take Tyra's blood, like he's still an outlaw in Wessex, but he's gonna come back to take Tyra's blood. So of course he's gonna speak with Alfred and Edward. Now that Edward saved him, you know, he has one favor, you know, that he has to return to Edward. Alfred wants Uhtred to be Edward's husband, you know, to be with Edward. He said it to Beocca, so Beocca is gonna say it to Edward when he's gonna die, when Alfred is gonna die, but still they're gonna have to release Uhtred for him to go to take revenge for his brother by killing the nephew. I mean, maybe they want also the nephew to die, but no, wait, the nephew is gonna return to Wessex. Oh, they're gonna be at the same place. That's it, he's gonna die into that place. And I really don't think that Alfred is gonna be against it. I mean, he's gonna be officially against it, but not really. And Brida, she left the curse. That's great for her. I want her to be happy, to have a family, to... That's so great for her. I'm so glad. Yes, First we have to have Brida knowing who did it, who killed Ragnar. So she's gonna return to the Danes. One of the Danes is gonna tell it to her, or maybe even Skade is gonna tell it. And then Brida is gonna have to go to see Uhtred to tell him. How many episodes are we gonna take to do all of that now? I mean, for Brida, for Uhtred to do all of that, to take revenge for Ragnar, to have the battle between the Danes and the Saxons, to have the nephew being killed, to have Skade again with Uhtred for him killing her. For sure we're not gonna go to Bebbanburg during this season. You know my thought about that, you know that I think that it's really like a running gag with this show at the end of each season to have Uhtred saying, let's go to Bebbanburg, and finally he's not going because he has other issues to deal with during the season. Like, I think that we're gonna go back to Bebbanburg during the final season, and Uhtred is gonna have his land back during the final episode of the final season. That's his destiny. Like, almost at the end of each season is like, let's go to Bebbanburg, and with the final episode of the final season, the final scene is gonna be like, that's it, we are in Bebbanburg. But Alfred didn't die. And they are still continuing to talk about Ragnar's death, and we are still thinking about him, and we are still sad for him, and I'm still crying for him, and also for Alfred each time that he's doing something, you know, for his legacy to continue. I'm tired of myself crying, and I know, you know, that I have to wait for watching the next episodes, so I have to prepare myself again for losing him again during the next session that I'm gonna have, you know, to watch new episodes of The Last Kingdom, and I won't be sure that it's gonna happen during this session, because last time I'm gonna watch 3 more episodes. I have to watch 4 more episodes, the 4 final episodes of this season 3. I have to watch them together. So that's it. I'm gonna say goodbye to Alfred during my last session. But I still have to prepare myself for this next session of The Last Kingdom. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. And Alfred, you have to do it now. You have to die. I love you with all of my heart, really, but you have to die. Like, I'm tired of crying for you, almost dying. You have to die now, my dear. Ooh, that was something, you know, that session. And really now it's a storm, you can hear it, it's raining, it's grey and all. At least my camera is dealing with the lights well, because really it's dark into my apartment right now. You can't even know how dark it is. So I'm gonna end right now before I'm gonna have even, you know, a cut with the electricity or something like that. Like, I think that it can happen quick. So it's all for today for The Last Kingdom and for Alfred not dying. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.